When you're feeling stressed, the last thing you want to do is take care of yourself, but it's crucial to maintain your health under pressure. Here are 10 ways to take care of yourself when you're feeling frazzled and overwhelmed. Make sure to include an action item at the end of each point. 1. Ground yourself. Stress can be managed with basic meditation or breathing exercises. Try breathing in deeply for a count of 5, hold it for a count of 3, and then exhale slowly for 5 counts. Do your best to stay focused on your breath as you inhale and exhale. When distracting thoughts come up, and they will, try redirecting them by focusing on something that makes you feel grounded. 2. Exercise is stress relief. If you're looking for a healthy way to manage stress, try exercising. Physical activity has been shown to reduce stress hormones, including cortisol. Exercise also releases endorphins into your body that can make you feel happier and relieve tension. Exercising as little as 20 minutes a day can have many psychological benefits and improve your mood if you feel anxious or depressed. If possible, try exercising outside in nature. It's one of the best ways to reduce stress. 3. Buy something you enjoy. Sometimes it feels like all we do is work, work and work. Give yourself a break and buy something you enjoy. It could be a new pair of shoes or some ice cream. Treating yourself will help you feel less stressed and improve your attitude toward working again. If money is tight, remember that even a free night out with friends can make you feel better. Just get out of the house for an evening. In addition to treating yourself, remember that getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and eating healthy foods are also great ways to take care of yourself when you're feeling stressed. 4. Practice meditation. Meditation can help you manage your stress, both when practiced regularly and in times of crisis. People who meditate tend to experience lower rates of anxiety and depression, as well as higher levels of self-esteem and positive emotions. Yoga is another great stress-relieving practice. It helps develop physical strength, improves flexibility, and promotes overall mental health. 5. Talk to a loved one. If you're feeling stressed, one way to reduce your stress levels is by reaching out to someone close to you. Your partner, family members, or friends can provide some perspective and put things into perspective. Talking with them will also help you gain some emotional support while stress busting at home. 6. Do something creative. If you feel like you're being consumed by your stress, try taking some time out of your day to do something creative. Anything that gets your hands dirty, turns off that running commentary in your head, and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's painting a picture or writing poetry or building furniture, making something with your own 2 hands is a proven way to relieve anxiety and increase self-confidence. 7. Do something for another person. There's a natural stress reliever that doesn't come in pill form. Helping someone else can reduce your own stress levels by distracting you from negative thoughts, according to research from Yale University. People who help others report feeling happier and healthier than those who self-focus. If you have extra time, volunteer at a soup kitchen or hospital, or if you don't have that kind of time, consider helping out a friend with a few hours of dog walking or housework. 8. Laugh, then laugh some more. Stress is a natural byproduct of living in a world filled with deadlines, demanding coworkers, and difficult clients. The most effective way to combat stress is actually counterintuitive. Learn how to laugh, and then do it as often as possible. A hearty chuckle releases endorphins that lift your mood and make you feel better overall, not to mention reduce stress levels through some unknown mechanism. Plus, who doesn't love an excuse for a good belly laugh? Think about all those things that tickle your funny bone. 9. Exercise daily. Exercising every day will not only help you to stay mentally and physically healthy, but it will also give you more energy and leave you feeling refreshed. If time is an issue for you, try splitting your workout into 2 parts. A quick 10-minute warm-up in the morning followed by a longer 30-minute session after work. 10. Love your body. When you're stressed, it can be easy to let your physical appearance fall by the wayside. It's important not to neglect your health, however. In order to be healthy and be the best person you can be, you must maintain a healthy diet and have an active lifestyle. Taking time for yourself will also help you gain perspective on what is causing stress in your life so that you can effectively address those issues.